We'll guide you through how to fade in or fade out a video in CapCut. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. A fade in or a fade out is a great way to start or end a video, as it can be really peaceful, so we'll guide you through the steps in order to do this. Come into your CapCut project, and for its fade in, come to the start of the video. Go and select it and go to the right of the play pause button and press the add keyframe button. Then at the bottom, you can go and scroll along and find the option for opacity, and then go and decrease it all the way to 0 like so and press the tick. Now go and move along until you go and get to the point where you want the video to be fully faded in, and then press opacity again, and you want to go and increase it to 100. Press the tick, play it back, and you can go and see the fade in. If you want to go and have a fade out, go to the end, and you need to go and choose where you want the fade out to go and begin. What you need to do is press the add keyframe button to the right of the play pause button, find opacity again, select it, make sure it's set to 100, scroll right to the end and add another keyframe, and you need to go and press opacity and set that to 0. Then you can go and play it back, and that's it, it fades out.